Right guys, pissing down. I'm in my shorts, but we are in. Very quick. I've been fishing about half hour. Well, set up. Believe it or not, this is on the pair. So this was the point in the filming where I realised I didn't have my net set up because the rain was so bad. So you're going to see me struggling to put the net up with one hand whilst playing a fish with the other hand. Like I said later on in the session, this was very much a Murphy's Law session where what could go wrong did go wrong. And shortly after landing this fish, another fish came along while the net was already in use with this first fish. So yeah, pretty chaotic, but it just goes to show the power of the pair drops from Ultimate Carp baits. Decent fish as well. Shit. Oh, we got it in, guys. We got him in. Here he is, folks. First fish of the session, and he came, I'll show you the rig in a minute, to the beautiful peach, pair, sorry, to the pair.